Imagine standing on a planet where the air is so thick you can barely breathe, or where the temperature is so extreme it could melt you in seconds. Sounds like a nightmare, right? Well, these planets exist, and they're far more dangerous than anything you'd find on Earth. Today, we're taking you on a journey through the universe to explore the most dangerous planets that you would never want to visit. First up, let's talk about Venus, Earth's evil twin. Venus is one of the hottest planets in our solar system, with a surface temperature hot enough to melt lead, around 900 degrees Fahrenheit or 475 degrees Celsius. But that's not all. The atmosphere here is thick with carbon dioxide, creating a runaway greenhouse effect that traps the heat, making it a true hellish world. Add to that constant acid rain and violent lightning storms, and you'll quickly realize Venus is not a place you'd want to be caught on. Definitely not a vacation destination. Next, we have Jupiter, the massive gas giant. With no solid surface to land on, this planet's size and gravity make it a terrifying place. It's home to the Great Red Spot, a storm that has been raging for at least 400 years, larger than Earth itself. But the real danger lies in its powerful radiation belts and extreme gravity, which could easily crush or fry any spacecraft that gets too close. While Jupiter might be beautiful to look at from a distance, it's definitely one world you wouldn't want to get too near. Next, we zoom out to a planet named HD 189733b. And let me tell you, this world is not friendly. It's famous for its blazing temperatures, reaching up to 1,800 degrees Fahrenheit or 1,000 degrees Celsius. But the worst part? 5,000 miles per hour winds made of glass shards. Imagine the kind of destruction those winds could cause. Everything in its path would be shredded to pieces. This planet is a living hell, and it's a place no one would survive. Mercury may be the closest planet to the Sun, but that's not the only thing making it dangerous. With temperatures soaring up to 800 degrees Fahrenheit during the day and plunging to a chilling negative 330 degrees Fahrenheit at night, Mercury is a land of extreme contrasts. And don't expect much help from its atmosphere. Mercury has none, which means no protection from the harsh radiation of the Sun. A true desolate world, and a harsh reminder of just how inhospitable space can be. Now, let's look far beyond our solar system to Kepler 70b. This planet is so hot, it's basically a giant molten orb. The surface temperature here exceeds 4,000 degrees Fahrenheit, nearly twice as hot as lava. Kepler 70b's proximity to its star makes it impossible for anything to survive. It's a fiery furnace, and any spacecraft that ventured too close would likely disintegrate. A place where nothing lives, not even the faintest hint of life. At first glance, Gliese 436b may sound like a cold planet. After all, it's often referred to as an ice planet. But don't let that fool you. Despite its name, the temperature here is so high that the ice actually stays in a hot, liquid state, defying everything we know about freezing temperatures. With surface temperatures well above 800 degrees Fahrenheit, Gliese 436b is one of the most extreme and strange worlds out there. A place where ice is liquid because it's just too hot. Now, that's a mind-bending paradox. And finally, we have WASP 12b, one of the most destructive planets discovered so far. Orbiting dangerously close to its parent star, WASP 12b is being eaten alive by its star, with its surface temperatures reaching 4,300 degrees Fahrenheit. This planet is literally being torn apart by the gravitational pull of its star. As it spirals ever closer to its fiery demise, WASP 12b is a world that should never be on your bucket list. So, there you have it. 7 of the most dangerous planets in the universe, where life has no place, and survival would be nothing short of impossible. The universe is filled with strange, beautiful, and terrifying worlds. And while some may intrigue us, these planets are the stuff of nightmares. Which one would you never want to visit? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more out-of-this-world content.